You want to cook the steam sticky rice or you cook rice, but this one is sticky rice, and also this rice I use one bowl, and sticky rice one bowl like this, and the rice also one bowl. But rice no problem because I can boiling, but the sticky rice the steam, and you marinate with coconut cream. Okay, you have to wash everything first. Mean you have to wash like 3 times. Okay, you have to add the water. Then you do like rinse like this, you put clean, and then take out the water. We keep the water, so keep the water, this one for clean the shrimp. 3 times, rice also the 3 times. Okay, now 3 times already. I keep the water for clean the shrimp, and the rice I put the water, and you rice soak in the water until it cook. I mean you soak in the water first, and rice not burn. Okay, for rice soak in the water. For sticky rice same. When after the 3 times, your sticky rice soak in the water, and the sticky rice you add a little bit sea salt, just a little bit salt. That's one. For sticky rice, you soak in the water and you add a little bit salt. For sticky rice can have the flavor, taste a little bit salty. After when you steam, the sticky rice not to become mudgy, become more like a tender. That's a technique. For add a little bit salt and then leave that. You can soak in the water about 30 minutes or 1 hour or 2 hours. Okay, then you have to soak in the water before you steam. When you soak the rice in the water, and then you bring the rice to the fire, let them boiling until the rice they cook is become like this. When the rice is cooked, the rice to open, and the technique how to clean a rice for not eat when you eat you not have like sugar too much. You can put the like a room temperature water in the pot. Like this, and then you move, then the rice you put in the strainer like this, take out the water, and this one like you cook for your family like 4 person, or for Thai 4 person, for foreigner maybe 1 or 2. Then the rice is dry like this. You have a little cover and you put in the low fire about 1 or 2 minutes. Rice dry again. Yes, become like this. And there's the water from the rice. This rice is dry like this. And turn off the heat. Then you have rice not have the sugar, and also rice clean. 1 bowl like this, and then the coconut cream also same 1 bowl like this. Sticky rice 1 bowl, coconut cream the same bowl, and the sugar up to you. I mean that's one. I like not too sweet. I can use the coconut sugar, and the coconut sugar in your home the color like brown, and then the color for sticky rice is more brown. I use this coconut sugar like this 1 tablespoon, and have a little bit salt. And this one for marinate the sticky rice, and you put on the low fire to make the sugar dissolve. And another part, I have some also the cream, and put the salt. This the part for the topping. A little bit more salt. the topping a little bit salty, but not too salty. Then add a little bit more cornstarch, like a half, like a 1 teaspoon. For this part, the coconut cream, sugar, and salt. Not boiling, just make like only the sugar dissolve. It's same like when you want to make ice cream, the coconut ice cream, coconut cream, sugar, salt, and coconut water, and the coconut meat. I mean the coconut water is from young coconut, the younger coconut, and the coconut is younger. Meat, that's one you can slide, put in here, that's you have ice cream. Okay, that's just like this. Dissolve, sugar dissolve, and then okay, like only the steam done. And then that's for on topping, coconut cream with the cornstarch and salt. But this one on topping.
แป้งสุกก็โอเค
This one, like a cornstarch cook and it become more thicker. ยกขึ้นมา Okay, like this for topping. Pot for the steam, the sticky rice, like this. The water boiling, and then the sticky rice. If the steamer, they have a big hole like this. If you know the technique, you don't need to use the cheesecloth. Right now, when you go buy the steamer, the hole not like this already everywhere. In America, in Canada, when I saw that, the hole is become like a stainer. You don't worry about the cheesecloth, okay? And then, if the big hole, you can have a cheesecloth on top. This is sticky rice. When they have water like this, you have to take out the water from the sticky rice. And then you have to use your hand because water not gone yet. Your hand do like this. Take out the water also, and then you put the sticky rice in the steamer. Because when you have the water to make the sticky rice on top to the heavy, and the rice on the bottom, they become like water. On top, just cook. In the middle, they not cook. Okay, then in the bowl, no water. Okay, you can do like a take out from the bowl, this like this. Everything. Grandma say everything. And then you have the cheesecloth slab. That's one when you have a little cover, heat came from the hole, come on top, then keep a sticky rice cook. You soak in the water, sticky rice easy to the steam. If you not soak in the water first, sticky rice, maybe they cook not same time. I mean, if your sticky rice not soak in the water first, sometimes the sticky rice on the bottom. That's when heat come out, the sticky rice on the bottom just cook. And some they not cook. Then you soak in the water, you can cook like on a 10 minutes, and the sticky rice can have like all cook the same time in the 10 minutes. That's one of my technique when I cook with my mom. My mom makes sticky rice every day, 10 kilo the sticky rice, 20 coconut. That's my job. Okay, this is sticky rice. After when you steam, the sticky rice is cooked already. How you know the sticky rice? When they cook, the color like a rice not cooked yet. That's the color they change to become like yellow, like this. See, there's a soft. Now when you steam a sticky rice already, a sticky rice should have like a sticky rice cooked. Then you put the sticky rice in the bowl. Sticky rice is still hot. You see that? The sticky rice still very hot. Like you can see like a steam right now. And then this the coconut cream. The coconut cream have to be like a room temperature, not same temperature. This one have sticky rice hot coconut. Now when you have the coconut cream already, then that's one you see that's a coconut cream, the cover. You not put the spoon like this because this one they cut the sticky rice. You have to just like this. Okay, and then you left the seed like then you can have the lid, the cover. For sticky rice can like a heat inside, but not all. Just left a little bit like this to have a hole come out. And then that sticky rice inside like absorb more coconut cream, and then sticky rice can have more flavor. So when you marinate, you see, they become like this. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, mango. When you cut the mango, you can cut like a half a mango and cut like a, we call like a banana boat. But for me, I like to take out the skin. You see, when you cut the mango, your hand together to help, and we not take out the meat, just only the skin. You should try this. The finger can control the knife, and you keep like this, keep going. One hand with the mango, move the mango to in your body, and one hand with the knife take out, normally cut like this. You see that's only the skin, and then you can put the knife. When the knife will go inside, they touch the seeds, then you can move the knife, follow the seeds. That's a two hands, they can help to each other, like opposite. Hand with the knife cut the mango, and one hand with the mango, move the mango opposite the knife, and then you can then you put the piece side. Then when you're ready to eat, you have a coconut cream and topping. Ooh, you like make it slowly. And then mung bean, sticky rice with mango. Yes, like many person easy, you can cut half like it. But the mango in Thai, they not have the big seeds, you can cut out like this, right? We have many customers come to Thai, they say, cut the mango like a banana boat, like this. That's easy to eat, but this one, oh, so good, easy. We can just to have a spoon. Okay.